Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video is composed of things that I tinkered with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you could click on the links in the comment section below. This video should contain tips and tricks of things that I've learned throughout the year. Now, I only plan on leaving this video posted for about 30 days. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much for watching. Kicking off the day down to the shipping company. Actually, I've been tinkering with computer stuff like that. Get some packing material to ship some stuff off. Listen to it sound like my exhaust manifold is cracking. Heck, maybe it's something up near my intake manifold. Maybe it's something inside my head. Weird noise. One more time. Alright, I'm testing this thing. I have it on feet. I'm going to switch it to mix. I'm going to switch it over here. Then I'm going to switch it over there. So we're going to see if this motor works. This is top and feet. This is face and feet. That is face only. Now I'm going to go feet only. Don't see any movement on feet only. It was working. Now it stopped. Alright, there we go. Back to feet. Alright, it's moving around. It's a little chilly today, but it ain't bad. Mid-40s. Tomorrow it's supposed to be in the mid-50s. Some cars going out soon. Domestic and then the imports. Man, I don't know where they finding all these Saabs at. Yeah, a bunch of Saabs. Oh, that one's got a little rust on it. They must have got that from Colorado somewhere. Anyway, I'm just going to check out, see what they got. Grab a couple things real quick for some other people. And get out of here. Probably won't be here an hour. I didn't realize this, but this 97 has an aluminum control on the arm on the passenger side. So I'm going to check when I got home again. And maybe come get this thing. Yeah, that's a 240 out here. No idea why this car is in the salvage yard. Transmission's missing. It's an 89 model. NA. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.